Bit of a different video today. If you remember, a few videos ago, I bought this milling machine. It's a Thiel 159 duplex. I bought it from one of my mates, Rory, and I've done a few bits on it so far, but I've never filmed anything. So today I've got Elliot Graham's manifold flange. We're building a tubular manifold for his turbo manifold for his S3. And this is an older manifold, and as you can see, he's basically repurposing this flange from another manifold to build his new one. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a light skim off the face with a decent sized face mill, and yeah, just get it flat and true it. So first bit of machining on the channel. If you don't know, I am a machinist by trade, and I'm looking to basically build like a little machine shop of my own so I can do stuff like this. So the miller was a big step in that direction. So yeah, let's start making some cuts. Right, so we've got one pass in, and it went okay, but where the manifold's been welded previously, I don't know if you can see, that indent there, that needs filling. There's a few dotted round the face that are quite deep. The main issue really is, see on that bottom lug where I think it's where Elliot's ground the old tubes off and he's caught the side of it. So that, obviously this is like a ceiling face, and that's a massive gap. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and fill this up with weld. I'll TIG weld it up, do all the little recesses as well from where the welds were, and then we'll skim it again so it's actually totally flat, because I'm not convinced it would even work as it is now. So yeah, we'll weld all these holes up and skim her again. So TIG'd up those bits that were particularly bad. The rest of it should clean up alright. There was a bit there as well, I noticed. So I filled that up. So we'll get it back in the miller and skim those. I'm not looking forward to skimming weld. Melon's back. It's a long time since Melon's been here.
Yeah.
So we're out at Stokesley Skate Park. It's about 20 minutes away from the unit. Me, Melon. So we're just going to get a few clips. I haven't put any riding in an edit for a while, so may as well do a bit. It's a pretty good park.
It's absolutely awful, the people are awful, and what did I say? I'm wearing a mountain bike helmet.
It's a Scott mountain bike helmet.
I didn't go down.
Yo.
guys, follow my channel.
Oh, slipped the pedal.
How'd you zoom?
Right, so we are, well, I'm here, but Melon's on his way. We're at Preston Park Skate Park in Stockton. I'll just pan round and show you. So you've got like a little section there for kids and scooters. Got this bowl section with a box jump and a teardrop and a spine. And then you've got the street section. Loads of rails and ledges. It's a really good park. So me and Melon are going to probably get a few clips here. It's like 10 AM, so hopefully it stays dead for a few more hours.
Nope.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Do you know what I'd really like to do?
What?
Like an extra pair on that as well.
That'd be sick.
Yeah.
Yes.
Woo!
Oh, camera's absolutely shit the bed and won't focus on anything at all.
Good job, really, 'cause I can't pull anything. Right, Dad. Oh, don't hit that. Where are you going now? Huh. Wonder why it goes in before it goes out. Do you reckon it's because of the curvature of the lens?
Well, yeah, I think it's got a little bit of a fisheye.
Ah. Yeah, because if you
That makes a difference.
if you've got a curved lens and you've got light going through it, it crisscrosses. Yeah, and then the point of where it crosses. I went to school once.
I was going to say that sounds very sad. Land a bit flat there.
Wow, why?
So it's just warming up with the truck out for fly out.
Going back round.
If you can actually do it. But yeah, the plan is truck, fly out, and then bring it onto this box out of the bowl. See if you can pull the fly out. There's also a guy blowing weeds now. We started filming. Shock. So, got my wheels back from the powder coaters, as you've just seen, and they look pretty good actually. I'm quite impressed with how they came out for chrome. It's only chrome powder coat, so it's not actual chroming, but I think they came out pretty nice. So now I've ordered tyres, so they've just came in. So the next video, which will be very soon, I'm going to be putting the tyres on the wheels and putting them on the Corvair. So expect that video in the next few days. I'm off work for a full week, so this week we're going to smash out loads of content, get loads done. We've got the Corvair to put back together, the wheels on. We've got the E28 to start on, along with some days riding with Andy and James. So we should have a few videos out this week with any luck. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.